friends, I am Gastro Guru aka Prashant Shukla and welcome to Gastro Guru Kitchen. Today for you I'm going to prepare a simple but delicious dish called lemon butter cod. So we're going to have the cod fish fillet cut into small pieces. We're going to marinate that for about 30 minutes and then we're just going to cook that in a pan with lemon, butter and some seasonings. So let's get started. Alright friends, so to marinate our cod, what we're going to do is we're going to put a few pieces of cod fillet that I had cut into smaller pieces, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding things to that. So the first thing that's going to go in there is a teaspoon of dry basil leaves, and this is going to give it a nice flavor, fresh herby flavor. Next thing that's going to go in there is 2 chopped cloves of garlic. So I'm going to put that in there. Then we're going to add some extra virgin olive oil or EVOO. Okay. And then I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of the aged white wine vinegar, and this is going to give it a distinct, awesome flavor. So we're just going to eyeball it. A couple of tablespoons. There you go. Not too much. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. And then I'm going to add some crushed black pepper. Yeah, that should be enough. We don't want too much. So now what we're going to do is with our hand mix everything up so that the fish, every piece of the cod fish fillet is coated with the marinade. Oh yeah, it's already smelling awesome with the white wine vinegar and the fresh basil, or dry basil leaves I should say. It gives the freshness. Garlic, salt, black pepper. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to cover this and we're going to refrigerate that for 30 minutes. So we're going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes, let it marinate, and then when you come back we're going to cook it in the pan, and it's a real fast, easy process, but the outcome is delicious. So see you in 30 minutes. Alright, so we'll start adding the marinated cod fillet pieces to the pan. We're going to put that on medium heat. And so we will be cooking this for about a couple of minutes on each side, and as it starts to cook, you will see the cod pieces, the fillet pieces flaking up, and that's how you know that it's cooked. So we're going to let that after 2 minutes we're going to come back and flip this and cook the other side of the cod. Alright friends, so our cod pieces are done. So we're going to take them off from the pan And I'm just going to plate them directly onto the china plate that we are going to be, plating it on. Cod is a real, the fish cooks real fast, so you got to be really delicate and careful with it. Move the rest of the pieces onto the plate. And then when I come back, I'm going to start building the sauce, the lemon butter sauce. Now we're going to start making the sauce, the lemon butter sauce. So, we are going to get all this goodness which is in there already from, the time when we had made the cod. So to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Alright friends, so our lemon butter saffron sauce is ready, and we're going to just pour that on top of our cod. Oh yeah, look at that, that's looking awesome already. We'll make sure that every piece of our delicious marinated cod gets some of this goodness. And then as a finishing touch, we're just going to sprinkle some dry oregano on top. Not too much, just a little bit. Look at that. How beautiful does that look? And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a wedge of lemon right over here, and maybe one more on this side. Okay. And so folks, there you have it, our delicious lemon butter cod, which we marinated, and then we pan cooked it, and then we have slathered that with a lemon butter saffron sauce. It's looking fantastic. So please make sure you watch my video on my YouTube channel Gastro Guru, and do like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much, and bon appetit.